My ball cap don't look that bad today. Let's talk about it.
What's poppin' 10? I'm depositing 10. All these ends, why you motherfuckers got to be? All this cops again. Eat a box or something. I such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin' 10?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crown K, aka Kim, whichever works for you. I'm good with that. So today, we are going to do a hair video. Clearly, I'm going to be installing a wig. You see, I already have my little ball cap thing going on. Like, I haven't gotten the ball cap method like down pat, but that's fine because at the end of the day, when I'm done, shit's gonna be laid. And that's it, period. You don't need to have a perfect sis. As long as when you're done, it's fire, whatever, okay? It don't look too bad today. My braids aren't looking too crazy. I kind of cut this side too far up, but that's fine. Anyways, this hair that we're gonna be using today is brought to you. Wait. Let me find my info because I never have the info. Okay, so the hair that I'm gonna be installing today is from Isee. I was sent is from Isee hair, and it's a 150% density Brazilian deep wave lace front wig, and it's a glueless lace front human hair wig, and it says it's pre-plucked, unprocessed 8A virgin Brazilian hair wig. Okay, and it's 22 inches. I'm literally reading off the page to tell you the exact details because I don't want to miss anything, and it's 22 inches, and this goes for $162.99, which I think is amazing for a lace frontal wig. It's not even like bundles or anything. It's a wig that you can wear 101 times. I'm loving the price point on this. It's not too steep. It's a good balance. I like the price, and yeah, we about to slay because we finna have a hot girl summer, like all summer. It's a hot girl that don't be going nowhere, but yeah, let's get into this wig. Let me open the box. This is what it looks like. The wig comes in a packet like this, and inside the box you have a wig cap. You can never have too many of those. I like when I get these. There's also a brochure. This is what the wig comes in, this packet, and it says stretch. Look at the waves. Oh my god, love, 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 love. I love the waves on this, guys. I'm a sucker for wavy curly units, and this deep wave is giving me life. It doesn't smell bad, it just smells like hair. Oh my god, but do you see this texture? We about to slay. And I love curly hair for the summertime. Like, you can't go wrong with curly textures in the summer. Like, straight hair in summertime, being outside is a dub. Like, you'll like frizz real fast, and that's a hassle with the humidity and stuff that's outside. Like, I don't think straight hair is it for summertime, especially if you're outside. Like, summertime is all about curls, like, period. Like, any kind of curly texture is good for the summertime. Unit, it has two clips on the side. It has a clip right here, a comb, and it has one in the back, and it also has adjustable straps, and it's a breathable cap. Yep. And this is the area of the lace, a good amount of lace parting. Fresh out the packet, the hairline looks pretty good. Do you see that? The hairline is pre-plucked, and I think it looks pretty awesome. Yep, that's the hairline. I don't intend to pluck this, my G. Like, I ain't plucking it because I need to get tweezers. Oh my god, I have to go to the beauty store. But I think the hairline looks fine. We can work with that. The knots, the knots aren't terrible. I'm going to spray my airbrush legs on the cap. So I'm gonna tint the knots with my airbrush legs. because I'm not doing the whole bleaching stuff. That's the easiest thing to do. So yeah, let me see something. I definitely have to use my airbrush legs on the knots because the knots are showing and it's bothering me. I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna use my airbrush legs on that. That ain't no problem. That ain't no problem. But I really love this hair texture. I'm a sucker for curly hair, okay? I'm loving this deep wave texture. I haven't worn deep wave in a long time. I haven't worn deep wave on my channel. I've worn like deep curly or like them curly ones that the curls are a little bit smaller, but I haven't done deep wave. So I'm excited. I'm gonna go put the airbrush legs on the knots.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I finished my makeup. I went and I took a shower. I'm weird like that. I'll do my makeup and go take a shower. I don't know. That's kind of weird. I don't know if anybody does this, but I'll do a whole face and then go take a shower. But yeah, the hair. It's finally time for the hair. Just gonna go in with a spray bottle so we can activate these curls.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste.
Hair is perfect for a vacation. It's perfect for the pool. It's perfect for the beach. Like, yo, when I say I love curly hair for the summertime, you have no idea. Like, curly hair is summer, period. Like, this hair is perfect for water activities and stuff. You still look so freaking bomb. Yes, look at this. Look at the waves and stuff. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. So pretty. I'm gonna do the other side.